What's up, my little chickpeas, and welcome to J-Mac's Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are gonna be making Filipino Adobo chicken! And so what is adobo chicken? Adobo chicken is this salty, tangy, tender chicken served over rice from the Philippines. Let me tell you something. Filipino food does not get the recognition that it deserves. And so we got the whole family here filming with us. We got Cam J. What's up? Camera girl.
Hi.
And Gohan. All right, you guys ready to make some adobo chicken? I don't know, dude. I don't really know Photoshop. No, dude, adobo. Oh. Let's make this thing. Recipe in the description below. Check it out. All right, so this is for 2 to 3 pounds of chicken thighs. We got 2.5 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Look at these. Look at these. Just.
Don't touch that. That's raw. Why?
So we're gonna marinate our chicken thighs. Take your thighs, take a gallon bag, throw them in there. Boop. All right, for the marinade, we are going to peel 6 cloves of garlic. Take that clove, just kind of smash it down, and peel off. Boop. And then with our peeled garlic cloves, we're just gonna put those down, take our knife, put it down on the side, and smash it. Smash it down. All right, so in our bag of chicken thighs, let's add our 6 smashed cloves of garlic. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 of a cup of rice wine vinegar, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Close it and mix it up.
Get a close up of that.
There you go. Take your thighs, put them in the fridge, and let that sit for at least an hour. What do you want to do while we wait?
Yoga.
All right, let's do it. Yoga time! All right, airplane yoga.
What?
Let's go. Airplane yoga, come over here.
I don't think that's a thing.
Come on, I'll show you. Airplane yoga!
I don't think this is yoga!
Oh, it's yoga. This is yoga. All right, let go. Ready? Ready?
Oh my god!
You're not doing it right. You're not doing it right. You're not doing it. You guys are f***ing weird. Alright, so that took about an hour, so let's start cooking our chicken now. Pan view. Alright, we got our pan on high heat, and we're just gonna add a tablespoon of oil. This is grapeseed oil, but you can use whatever you want. Alright, we're gonna take the chicken out of the bag, and we're gonna lay that skin side down. Get a nice sear. Alright, we had that seared for about 3 or 4 minutes. Look at that sear. So we're gonna flip these over. And once you got these guys flipped, we're just gonna add that marinade from the bag back into the pan. And we're gonna add some water to it, about a cup of water, just so all the meat is submerged, but the skin can still be showing. Perfect. And we're gonna throw in 3 bay leaves. And Mama likes it spicy, so we're gonna add some pepper to it. Now, I couldn't find any Filipino pepper at my store, so we just got a Serrano pepper. We're just gonna cut that long ways, and we're gonna add it, okay? Just don't tell any Filipino people. Shh. All right, we're gonna add the pepper, cover it up, reduce the heat, and we're gonna let that cook for about 30 minutes. All right, while we're waiting for that to cook, let's make some rice to put our chicken over. We're gonna cook some jasmine rice. We're gonna take a cup of rice, add it to a pot, and to that we're just gonna add 2 cups of water. 2, and a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna put that on the stovetop and bring it up to a boil. And now once that's boiling, we're gonna turn the heat down to medium-low, cover it up, and let it cook for about 15 more minutes or until the water's absorbed. Make sure it boils over and spills all over your countertop. And look at that, the water is gone. So we're just gonna take that off the heat, put the cover back on, and finish the chicken. All right, and our chicken has been cooking for about 30 minutes now. And look at that. We're gonna leave the lid off and let it cook for another 10 minutes to reduce down that sauce. Boom, sauce is reduced down. Let's plate it up, just like we're in the Philippines. All right, let's get some of our rice down. And throw a piece of our chicken right on top of that. Boom, look at that, nice little adobo chicken. And then we're gonna take some of that reduced sauce We're just gonna spoon that right over the chicken. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Woo-wee! And that's our Filipino adobo chicken. Check out this adobo chicken. Look at this. Mmm. Mmm! Filipino adobo chicken, nice work, guys.
Shout out to my girl Margaret, Filipino.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Get out of here. Oh my God, she would love this.
I gotta let her know.
Oh my God. Filipino adobo chicken.
Ow! Ow, you squished my hand so f***ing hard.
Wait, hold that. Filipino adobo chicken. Whoa, this video's getting weird. Filipino chicken adobo. Alright, let's wrap this up, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked that video, smash that like button. If you guys want to see more episodes, subscribe to the channel. We're doing new episodes every week. Comment below, say what's up. Tell us any recipes you want to see.
Thank you.
Thank you.